Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace. For those of you who are new to the oldie but goodies, thank you all so much for sticking by. I know I did not post a video last week, but today I'm going to be making up for it because I would be cooking a lobster for the very first time. My father came back from Tobago and he asked if I could prepare it, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I must admit though, I don't know anything about cooking lobster. I just know how to eat it, but I've searched good old YouTube and I think I know what I'm about to do. So if you'd like to know how I got my wonderful lobster recipe, keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, thank you all so much for stopping by. I have a million other videos on here. Please be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be in the know when I post a new video.